Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through and here's a step-by-step guide on how to find diverse list on PropStream. So to get started, a quick analysis on guide on how to find diverse list on PropStream. So the first thing to do is to visit your propstream.com website, then sign into your account. Then from there you have to search your target areas. So enter the desired cities, country or a zip code in the search bar to define your search region. Then after that, you have to open the filter menu. So click on the filter button to access the filter options. Then from there, navigate to the quick list section within the filter menu. Then choose diverse to view the properties associated with diverse filing. Then from there, you can apply additional filters, which is very optional. So you can select the property type. You can also select the equity percentage, owner type, occupancy status, and the diverse filing date. Then once all of that is add to the filter, so apply filters and view the result. So apply the settings, your filters, then click the apply to generate the list of match diverse related properties in your selected areas. Then after that, you can save and export your list. So select your properties you're interested in and click add to list to save them. And also you can navigate to my properties to view your saved list. Then from there, you can export the list, skip trace for contact information, or initiate the market campaign directly within the PropStream. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.